India and the UK sign a comprehensive economic and trade agreement. India and the UK sign a landmark agreement advancing a new era of economic partnership and opportunity under the visionary leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The agreement was signed in the presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer by the Minister of Commerce and Industry Mr. Piyush Goyal and the State of Secretary for Business and Trade Mr. Jonathan Renaud. Dr. S. Jaishankar, Minister for External Affairs, and Ms. Rachel Reeves, the Chancellor of Exchequer, were also present. The agreement unlocks export opportunity for labor-intensive sectors including textile, leather, footwear, marine products, gems, jewelry, and toys, generating employment and empowering artisans and women-led enterprises. Unprecedented market access for Indian goods with zero duty access on 99% of tariff lines covering 100% of the trade value. India and the United Kingdom have taken a major step in building a stronger economic partnership with the signing of the comprehensive economic and trade agreement under the visionary leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The agreement was signed in the presence of two ministers by the Commerce and Industry Minister Mr. Piyush Goyal and the Secretary General of State for Business and Trade Mr. Jonathan Renaud. This FTA, Free Trade Agreement, marks a significant milestone in India with major developed economy and reflects a shared commitment to strengthening economic integration. As the world's fourth largest and sixth major economy, Indo-UK bilateral engagement holds a global economic significance. The signing of the agreement follows a successful conclusion of negotiations announced on 6th May of 2025. The bilateral trade between two countries stands at nearly $56 billion with a joint goal to double this figure by 2030. This is expected to open new opportunities for labor-intensive industries such as textile, footwear, leather, gems, jewelry, goods, sports, and toys, alongside the fast-growing sectors like engineering goods, automobile components, and organic chemicals. Services sector, a fast driver of Indian economy, will also see a wide-ranging benefits. The agreement provides a greater market access in IT and IT-enabled service sectors, financial and legal services, professional and educational services, and digital trade. Indian professionals, including those deployed by the company to work in UK, and professionals deployed on contract such as architects, engineers, yoga instructors, chefs, musicians will benefit from the simplified visa procedure and liberalized entry categories, making it easier for talent to work in the UK. CETA, Common Economic Trade Agreement, marks a milestone in the trade relations of two countries. This FTA free trade agreement will serve as a catalyst for inclusive growth, benefiting farmers, artisans, workers, startups, and innovators, while safeguarding India's core interest and accelerating our journey towards becoming a global powerhouse. Is expecting to boost trade volumes significantly, creating new jobs, expanding export, and supporting a deeper, more resilient economic relationship between India and the United Kingdom. Thank you.